We're here in Graham, North Carolina at Dixon Farms. Robbie Dixon. We one load these calves. These calves were just coming off grass, a little bit of feed, double vaccinated. It will be thin flesh. We're here in Graham, North Carolina at Dixon Farms. Going to be one load of these light weight steers weighing 610, light flesh. These steers are just on grass and hay. Just getting a little bit of grain each day. There will be a few of the thinner ones you see on the film that will be coming out. These calves are double vaccinated, came in here weighing 350 pounds, backgrounded, just on grass.